How does 20 million website visits in 60 seconds sound? Pretty cool, right? That's exactly what Coinbase achieved when they launched a live QR code campaign during a Super Bowl commercial break. Hey, I'm Zoe from AppsFlyer, and today I'm going to explain what QR codes are, why they're useful, and share some creative ways you can use them to drive app installs and increase engagement. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what QR codes are. QR codes, or quick response codes, are small, pixelated images that can be scanned by a smartphone camera to access content immediately. They're like scannable barcodes that take users to a specific URL of your choosing. Now, why are QR codes useful? Well, there are many benefits. For one, they are the best performing owned media channel. They increase conversions by creating simple, seamless experiences from anywhere straight to the right place in your app with deep links or deferred deep linking. On top of that, QR codes are low cost and can be published on any type of media, wherever your potential users are. So they're not only effective, but budget friendly too. Finally, QR codes are measurable, again, thanks to deep links. You can easily see how your campaigns performed from the initial click all the way down the funnel and optimize towards whichever ones are driving the highest quality installs. Now that you understand the benefits of QR codes, let's dive into 5 creative ways you can use them to drive app growth. First up, out-of-home user acquisition. This means placing your QR code offline, where your potential users are likely to see it, on billboards, bus stops, and public transport, for example. Domino's Pizza used QR codes in its outdoor billboard ads, allowing customers to place orders from their phones. This resulted in over 1 million orders in the app's first month, with customers who used the QR code more likely to order again, and resulted in a 16% increase in overall sales. Pro tip: create multiple QR codes with attribution parameters for every campaign, so you can measure performance of where the QR code ad is displayed and optimize accordingly to drive better results. Second up, place your QR code on your physical marketing collateral, like products, packaging, or promotional materials. Let's look at an example. Nestle used QR codes on their packaging to provide customers with access to additional product information, such as nutritional facts and ingredients. The result? They saw an increase in customer engagement and loyalty, as customers were able to access relevant and valuable content, resulting in an overall increase in sales. Moving on to strategy number 3, embed QR codes in connected TV ads. These video ads are delivered on streaming services like Netflix and HBO, while viewers are watching content on their TV or their mobile device. And with 50% of North American consumers going on to download an app after seeing a CTV ad, it offers a huge opportunity to drive a new segment of users to your app. Disney used QR codes in their ads to offer viewers access to exclusive behind-the-scenes footage. They saw a huge increase in engagement as customers spent more time watching the exclusive content, while also increasing brand awareness and customer loyalty. Pro tip: make sure that if you're running a CTV ad, it includes a clear call to action, such as scan the QR code to learn more. Users like to be told what they need to do next. On to our 4th strategy: use QR codes by talking directly to your audience. Your social media followers and email subscribers are already invested in your brand, so giving them access via QR codes to valuable content will encourage more activity inside your app. If your followers are already app users, it will encourage them to come back, and if they're not, it might just be the push that leads them to downloading your app. Amazon is great at keeping things simple for their customers. They use QR codes in emails to easily allow their customers to buy their favorite products with just one click. Simple, but effective. Pro tip: provide context for why your followers should scan the QR code. Explain what they'll get when they scan the code, such as a discount or a special offer. Let's talk about our 5th and final strategy that will increase engagement and loyalty with existing users. QR codes are an easy way to offer users exclusive promotions, content, and rewards, showing them how much you care about their loyalty. You can use them to encourage users to sign up for your loyalty program by offering points that can be redeemed for rewards and discounts. And why not use them to provide video tutorials or product information pages that will enhance their overall experience? By simply scanning the QR codes within your app, users can unlock all of these valuable offers and content, increasing engagement and long-term loyalty. Before you create your QR codes, here are 5 quick tips to keep in mind. 1. Like all marketing campaigns, set clear goals and KPIs. Segment your audience and create different messaging with clear calls to action for each stage of the customer journey. 2. Make sure you can easily update the link behind your QR code. It's better to be prepared if you need to change the URL where you want your user to land. 3. Consider your creative design. Make it visually appealing and on-brand. 4. Measure and analyze the success of your QR campaigns to identify which are driving the best quality installs. This way, you can optimize your campaigns to improve their performance. And last but not least, A/B test your QR codes. You can test different designs, locations, and calls to actions so you can determine the most effective content. So, there you have it. You now have a variety of ways to enhance your QR code app marketing strategy to drive installs and increase user engagement. If you have any questions, drop them here in the comments and we'll get them answered for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos like this one, aimed at helping you achieve superior app marketing results. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.